Sal, can you describe what just happened?
Here, take this. We got one person, so generous of them to order 7 mystery boxes. Shout out to, I'm not gonna say their name, but thank you for the support.
Is that a record, Sal?
To my knowledge, yes, 100%. One. Well, one's going in one box, one's going in another box, one's going in another box, one's going in another box. Yeah, this, perfect, here.
You want them to put that?
I don't even know if the person ordered it or not.
This is gonna be a fun order to pack, am I right?
It's wild. You're gonna get 7 boxes to the door on the same day.
Oh my god, we're gonna do 7 different boxes? If it's the same...
Yeah, it's the same person.
So let them pick. If there's 7 kids who order
like a 50 by 50 box in here, like this.
I just want to like the independent boxes.
Yeah.
Come on. That would be so much more entertaining.
Put like one thing in each so I can see like what we need. Each, we're gonna give like a flag in one, flag in another, medium one, medium another.
Where are the, oh, there are
a couple hats, give them a hat. Orange hoodie, I don't know if they threw that out yet. Oh, I do need that one, yeah.
Good vibes, good vibes.
Absolutely. You gave one hoodie in each, right? 4, 5, 6. I need one more hoodie. Just put 2 hoodies in a box only.
Double them up.
Yeah, double, like 2 hoodies in one box.
Double it and give it to the next person.
One hoodie.
Shorts.
Medium?
Medium.
Wait, I'm good on, just 2 or 7 mystery boxes. Same person.
One person.
7 mystery boxes, 1 person.
So I literally have to like, we gotta like, we're storming
How
around
many
the
orders do
warehouse.
they have with us?
A first time customer. Oh, they ordered like within like a half hour of each other. Like they ordered 4 boxes and
Same
like,
size?
nah, like mediums and larges.
Wait,
We didn't put
Sal, you said only medium.
I think the first 4 were medium, that's why.
$100 in value for 50 bucks? Why did I order one?
Were you guys putting them all into one order, or are you shipping them separate?
That's what I said to do. Put them all into one.
Do you think it should be in one? Like
No, it has to
mega
be
box?
separate boxes. So you can put the separate boxes in one big box and ship the one big box.
That's a good
Got a
idea.
point. Because why you can't, you're not gonna print 7 different labels. Run us out of business. Put them in like a big box and put the other ones inside of that.
Oh,
Like that?
I wonder who else.
Yeah, like that's what I thought you were doing.
No, I knew it was an idea, but I didn't print that. Let's give him a crew neck. I know that. Alright, summer's coming.
Summer is
Did you get that club crew neck I threw?
Yeah.
It's not a technicality, it is, but at the same time.
Large. Perfect fit.
All right, so time to pack up for the Max Clark project this weekend. Heading out to Indiana, which is where he's from. Super pumped, great kid. Very excited to kind of get this content rolling with him. If you don't know who Max Clark is, he's one of the top 5 high school prospects in the country. Really changing the game both on and off the field. He's a phenomenal player, but then he also has a huge social media following. He's been making some fantastic content on there, really like upping the levels that baseball players kind of need to aspire to, both in content and on the field. And that's for us, that's huge because we want to, do the same type of thing, both just in the baseball clothing space and through baseball content. So we're super excited to get this collaboration going. We got a lot of cool stuff planned. We're going to one of his team workouts for his high school. We're gonna hit the gym with him a little bit, see his workout routine. Guy lifts big weights, so that'll be cool. We're gonna be going sneaker shopping with him, so that's gonna be a lot of fun. He's a big sneakerhead. He's gonna take us to his house. We're gonna see his shoe collection, the whole 9. So it's gonna be sweet. That's gonna be a fun video for sure. I know he's really passionate about that. And then we're gonna sit down for a chat. We're just gonna talk all things baseball, help you guys get to know a little bit more about him, what motivates him, what his life has been like coming to this moment, how he's dealing with just all the different things of being famous right now. So it's gonna be a really cool conversation. When is this gonna be coming out? Actually, at this point, it probably already is out. So if you haven't watched it yet already, go watch it. It's probably fantastic. My humble opinion. All right, we're gonna get the rest of this stuff packed up, and then we head out of here tomorrow. Time to go to the airport. Flight's in 2 hours-ish, and then we're gonna head out to Indiana and get this thing rolling.
What's going on, guys? This is Max Clark. We're getting ready to head into Grails and do some shoe shopping. Go ahead and join us, follow along. And I was 96, 98. So I didn't actually really even hit 95, I just jumped to 98. But like, cream jerseys, black hat, fuzz. Just to be clear, what happened? I left my keys in my car and my car locked it, so there's no way, like what? I can't wait to go to Texas Roadhouse and then go home and watch South Park. You know, I love Franklin, but it's small, but I love it. It's like the right amount of small. Kind of everything's together and everybody knows everybody, but there's still a lot going on all the time. And like we have an amphitheater now, so there's always like during the summer you can kind of just walk downtown, and they have like pickleball courts now that we all play because it's really fun when you're playing with like your friends, because none of us actually know how to play. So your name? Yeah. My name is Max Clark, and I forget what I was supposed to say after that. Oh, where I'm from. Yep, sorry. And this is baseball lifestyle.
We just got some boat shoe samples in. Been almost 2 years since it's been back in stock. I'm gonna go show the team.
I really like the white one. To be honest. No, this one feels like the best quality.
Really?
Have you worn that one?
So my yeah.
Your opinion
In my
is nothing. It's never nothing.
in my humble opinion. Damn, Daniel. Alright.
I've never played
Stay on
with
task
my-
here. You're the subject. Quality wise, you say this one fine.
Yeah.
Actual leather color wise, it's this one. So
This one.
this one wins. It just needs this stitching.
Yeah. Otherwise it looks like a roller shoe.
Correct. So this shoe must win. This stitching. It's the same thing.
That shoe looks like somebody was trying to steal a ravioli.
The reason why they made it like this, I'm telling you, because I told them to copy the sample that they sent, which had the stitching like this. So I think they took it.
Ravioli.
If you combine these two, you have a win.
Yeah.
Well,
I thought we talked about
what's awesome? Where's the
That's just like.
Oh, it's just on.
What's also interesting that I just noticed like two different samples. This has 3 eyelets, whatever they're called. This has 2. Not bad.
For the...
2 holes.
Oh, no, the 2 matters. The 2 is for both shoes.
I agree. The 2 is actually absolutely.
Yeah.
So everything wins about this shoe, but the stitching.
Yeah, the stitching.
So all they have to do is fix the stitching, which really isn't that hard.
The
Just
stitching
go
and the logo placement. You have to fix the logo placement.
Yeah, the logo. Yeah, I know that. This logo is supposed to be this logo, this logo.
As the person who just wore these for a week, the insides are very comfortable.
Were you wearing the old ones for me?
Yeah.
The different inside? No, that's a different inside.
I gotta be honest with you, I do like that.
That's the sole logo.
That's what I was saying. I like it as a solo.
I think that's fresh.
It's like it's more yellow.
This one, yeah.
Not
This
too
one.
many samples.
When they sent me this sample, I like the stitching, but the material was like shocked. I was like, this sucks.
Yeah,
Because it's super bendy.
we hate it.
Vote is in. It's time for production.
All right, so we're on our way to the American Air Power Museum at Republic Airport. It's got some cool like old planes and stuff. We're going to do our frequent flyer shoot. It's an alliteration for you. We're going there to do it with our buddy Gio. It's a cool place, super close to our office. And I personally, if you guys don't know, I'm a big planes guy. It's like my secret obsession. So cool little museum we're gonna go check out, do some photos at. Come join us, let's go. So actually, little hiccup, apparently they're not open today. I got some bad info, so we'll be back on Wednesday. Going on Monday, 20 hours. Gave you all the answers. Not true, they're closed on Monday and Tuesday. So, yeah, no idea. But now what are you doing for shoot? Going on Wednesday. Still lines up on our schedule, just, I don't know. Yeah. Dumb. I was like, I literally asked every question that I could possibly need to know. Gave all the wrong answers. Fast forward to Wednesday. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so now it's Wednesday, and we're actually going to our frequent flyer shoot at Republic Airport. So we're hyped. Let's go. Doors open. Good start. A little bit of a hiccup, but we're gonna make it work. All right. Well, let's need to get some best warning. Next time, I'm gonna ask. I always ask to speak to the manager. It's just easier.
It didn't seem like they have cameras down there, for what it's worth. Success or failure? What do you think of the shoot?
Success. We always get to success. It's just a matter of what level of success. Sometimes life gives you lemons, you make lemonade. It is what it is. We had a little bit of a problem getting the things we needed to get, but that's okay. We make it work. Figure out we still make great stuff, make great product. That speaks for itself. We made it work. It's what it is. Pic's gonna come out great. That's all that matters. Frequent flyer, baby.
All right, so we got our team bowling trip tomorrow. It's gonna be fun and exciting. The reason why we're doing it is one of the core values here is to have fun. And we've all been grinding for the last this year. So wanted to get the squad out, get some competition going, see who's the best bowler on the team.
See, what they don't know is I'm actually really good at bowling, so they're all screwed.
Oh no! That's ridiculous. Oh, look at the curve on that!
Yeah, I hurt my shoulder.
Close it out.
There you go, Bill!
That's not talking shit. You're proving my point. If you pick up this stair back,
Wrong side! That was perfect!
and then the other small out. That's good, baby. Great pickup, Sal. Oh my God! Are you clutch or not? You guys, run him off the field! I wanted to kick it off the side and shoot around. The only guy that does bring up like, hey, my squad, free to be.
That's a good round.
No way! How's that after a match?
Do something you don't normally do. Have fun. Mix and match the team. Yeah, everybody's gotta go left. Yeah, sir. Italy, I'm just like, lefty. Now that's right. Yeah!
one, Garrett.
The suspense.
Let's go! He sucks in that!
I thought that was a 6.
He sucks in that! Let's go!
Where's Michael?
Yeah, Michael.
Thanks.
Hey, for coming down. Yeah, that's bowling with baseball lifestyle.